Oh, hey guys. Today I'll be showing you how to do a draw stroke, just as I was doing just then. You want your hands in a medium grip, about shoulder width apart. The shaft will be on a diagonal axis. The blade will be square to you. For your body position today on this one, you want your knees nice and planted, so you got all control of the canoe. You will be twisting your shoulders towards the side of the boat, so towards the side of the canoe. You'll catch in the water and pull towards you, leaving a gap between the gunnels so you don't jar your fingers. Again, I'm catching, pulling towards, and to recover, I'll just roll that thumb forwards, cut through the wind, twist, back in, like so. Now you can do this tandem, solo, or in the front or back, doesn't matter. You can do this move. Generally it brings the back of the canoe around towards the way you were pulling. Now yeah, the safety is you don't want to overreach, otherwise I might go for a swim. So just be mindful of that you just want to nice and easy. Make sure you're twisting your torso into it, using your body, not your back. And that is how to do a draw stroke.